Hello, my name is Misty. I am a tutor at the Student Success Center located at San Juan College. Today, I want to talk to you about your template. Having a template to create your AutoCAD drawings is important because it will save you a lot of time when creating settings for your assignments and projects. This will be the second video on creating a template, and more will follow. Today's video is going to cover how to create a text style for your AutoCAD template. If you have not had a chance to download AutoCAD yet, please check out the Creating an Autodesk Account, Downloading AutoCAD, and Creating Layers videos before continuing with this video. Let us begin by opening the AutoCAD application located on your main screen of your computer, laptop, or mobile device. Once AutoCAD has launched, select the Open Files option located under the Start Drawing option. The Select File window should appear, and you will navigate to find your template file that was saved at the end of the Creating Layers video. Once you have located this file, you may now select to open it. If you are having trouble locating this file, be sure to select the drawing template under the Files of Type section, and it'll be represented as drawing template with parentheses *.dwt closing parentheses. After your template has opened, you will select the Annotate tab within the ribbon. This should be the third tab from the left side of the ribbon. Within this tab, the first section is labeled Text. You should see an arrow in the bottom right corner of this section. When you hover over it, a description window will appear labeled Text Style. You may now click on the arrow to open the Text Style dialog box. You should now see the Text Style dialog box. On the right side, there will be two options. Select the option that says New. A small window will appear with a default name of Style 1. You will rename this text style ANSI. Once you have completed renaming your text style, you may now click OK. The next step is to select a font name. This will be located in the middle of the dialog box under the Font section. You will then click on the drop-down menu for font name and select the font name of GDT.SHX. This is the preferred font used when creating notes for 2D drawings or 3D models and will be used when you create a border for your template. If you take a look at the sample text window located in the bottom left corner of the dialog box, you can see that the uppercase is displayed in letters and the lowercase is displayed by symbols. Once you have finished selecting the font name, you will now select the size of your text style. Under the Font section, you will see the Size section directly below it. Within this section, you will select to make the size of your text annotative, and your paper text height should be 1/8 of an inch or 0.125 inches. You will now select the ANSI text style, so it's highlighted in blue, and you will then select the option of Set Current located on the right-hand side of the dialog box. You may now close the text style dialog box. Before exiting your template, make sure to save the changes you have made to your template, and be sure to complete a zoom all by pressing Z spacebar, A spacebar. Once you have completed these steps, you may now close your template file and the AutoCAD software. This brings us to the conclusion of how to create a text style in your AutoCAD template. Please remember that assistance is here and your success matters. Thank you for joining me today. Please feel free to comment or ask questions in the comment section below the video. You can also ring the bell to receive notifications when new videos are posted. You can subscribe to the Student Success Center YouTube channel, and don't forget to check out and like our Facebook page. You can also request a tutoring session, either face-to-face or online. For additional assistance in learning how to create a text style or any other questions by filling out a request form on the Tutoring Center website. Stay safe, stay healthy, and together we can do this.